students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let us start our topic time and temperature. Let's look back. India, it's 8 o'clock. London, it's 10 o'clock. Arjun's cousin Misha lives in London. Arjun wants to call her to discuss their upcoming family vacation. He notices that it's 8 a.m. in India, but he does not know what time it is in London. Looking at a world map, Arjun sees that London is in a different time zone. Can you help Arjun figure out the time in London when it's 8 a.m. in India? Now, hint. India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of लंदन. अहेड मतलब आगे. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे सुबह 8 बजे हैं तो वहां पे कितना टाइम हुआ होगा? 5-5.5 घंटे पहले. तो 5.5 घंटे पहले कितना होगा? 8 से 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 एंड हाफ आवर और 2:30. इट्स 2:30 AM. Now time. We have already learned that there are two kinds of clocks, the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called AM, ante-meridiem, and the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is called PM, post-meridiem. This is 12-hour clock, this is 24-hour clock. In the 24-hour clock format, the time is shown as hours, minutes or seconds. Now, conversion of units of time. Let us learn how to convert units of time from higher to lower units and vice versa. Now, conversion of higher units of time to lower units. Let us learn to change a larger unit of time such as days, weeks or years into smaller units like hours, minutes or seconds. For example, when we need to express a given number of days in hours, we multiply the number of days by the number of hours in a day, that is 24. Similarly, to convert years to days, we multiply the number of years by 365 or 366 for leap years. Now, lock into your brain. First, days to hours. Multiply the number of days by 24. Days and hours to hours. Multiply the number of days by 24 and then add the additional hours. Now, hours to minutes. Multiply the number of hours by 60. Hours and minutes to minutes. Multiply the number of hours by 60, then add the additional minutes. Now, minutes to seconds. Multiply the number of minutes by 60. Now, minutes and seconds to seconds. Multiply the number of minutes by 60 and then add the additional seconds. Now, example 1. Convert the following as instructed. A. 14 hours 30 minutes to minutes. Now, solution. A part. 14 hours 30 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So, 14 hours is equals to 14 multiplied by 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. That is 840 minutes plus 30 minutes is equals to 870 minutes. Now, B part. 2 days 12 hours. We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So, 2 days is equals to 2 into 24 hours plus 12 hours. That is 48 hours plus 12 is equals to 60 hours. Now, C part. 6 weeks 5 days 24 hours. 6 weeks plus 5 days plus 24 hours. 6 weeks. 1 week has 7 days. So, 6 multiplied by 7 days is equals to 42 days plus 5 days is equals to 47 days plus 24 hours. We know that 1 day is 24 hours. So, 47 days multiplied by 24 hours is equals to 1128 hours plus 24 hours is equals to 1152 hours. Now, D part. 23 minutes 56 seconds. 23 minutes plus 56 seconds. We know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So, 23 minutes multiplied by 60 is equals to 1380 seconds plus 56 seconds. That is 1436 seconds. Now, conversion of lower units of time to higher units. Now, let us convert smaller units of time like seconds or minutes into larger units like hours, days or years. For instance, to convert minutes to hours, we divide the number of minutes by 60. Similarly, to convert seconds into minutes, we divide the number of seconds by 60 as well. Now, lock into your brain. First, hours to day. Divide the number of hours by 24. Hours to days and hours. Divide the number of hours by 24. The quotient represents the number of days and the remainder represents the number of hours. Now minutes to hours, divide the number of minutes by 60. Minutes to hours and minutes, divide the number of minutes by 60. The quotient represents the number of hours and the remainder represents the number of minutes. Now seconds to minutes, divide the number of seconds by 60. Seconds to minutes and seconds, divide the number of seconds by 60. The quotient represents the number of minutes and the remainder represents the number of seconds. Now example 1. Convert the following as instructed. 8. 4:58 minutes to hours. Now solution. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 4:58 minutes is equals to 458 divided by 60 hours. So when we divide it, we get 7 hours and the remainder is 38, that is minutes. Thus 458 minutes is 7 hours and 38 minutes. Now B part. 9120 seconds is equals to 9120 divided by 60 minutes. When we divide, we get 152 minutes and 0 seconds. So 9120 seconds is equals to 152 minutes. Now C part. 1200 hours is equals to 1200 divided by 24. When we divide it, we get 50 days and 0 remainder. Thus 1200 hours is equals to 50 days. Now D part. 5628 hours divided by 24. When we divide, we get 234 days and 12 hours. So 5628 hours is equals to 234 days and 12 hours. Now in text exercise 1. Question number 1. Convert the following hours to days and hours. Now A part. 175 hours. To convert into days and hours, we divide it by 175 hours divided by 24 because 24 hours makes 1 day. So 175 divided by 24. 24 8 4s are 12, 2 carry 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17. 24 8s are 172. माइनस करेंगे दैट इज 3. सो 8 days and 3 hours. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग मिनट्स टू आवर्स. ए पार्ट. 375 मिनट्स. वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 60. 375 डिवाइडेड बाय 60. 6 6 36, that is 360. माइनस करेंगे 5, 7 minus 6 is 1, that is 6 hours and 15 minutes. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग सेकेंड्स टू मिनट्स. सो 300 seconds. So we have to divide 300 divided by 60. 6 5s are 30. 300 minus. So it is 5 minutes. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग मंथ्स टू ईयर्स. नाउ 224 months. 224 is divided by 1 year has 12 months. So divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 minus 0 1 104. 12 8s are 96 minus 9 and it's 14. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 9 minus 9 is 0. That is 18 years and 8 months. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग वीक्स टू ईयर्स. नाउ ए पार्ट. 52 वीक्स. 1 year has 52 weeks. तो 52 divided by 52 is equals to 1 year. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग डेज टू वीक्स. ए डेज टू वीक्स. 1 week has 7 days. So 45 days. 45 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. So 6 weeks and 3 days. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टाइम. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू add or subtract time with the help of a few examples. Now example 1, add the following. A part, 5 hours 58 minutes 20 seconds and 2 hours 10 minutes 33 seconds. Now solution. A part, 5 hours 58 minutes 20 seconds plus 2 hours 10 minutes 33 seconds. Write down the hours, minutes and seconds in columns separately. Add the seconds. Now add the seconds, that is 20 seconds plus 33 seconds is equals to 53 seconds. Then add the minutes, 58 minutes plus 10 minutes is 68 minutes. Since 68 minutes is greater than 60 minutes, write it as 1 hour and 8 minutes. 60 minutes plus 8 minutes. Now add the hours, that is 5 hours plus 2 hours plus 1 hour, which is from the minutes. So total is 8 hours. So this is 8 hours, 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Thus 5 hours 58 minutes 20 seconds plus 2 hours 10 minutes 33 seconds is equals to 8 hours 8 minutes 53 seconds. Now next is B part. 16 years 2 months plus 5 years 12 months. Write down the years and months in columns separately, years and months. Now add the months. 2 months plus 12 months is 14 months. 14 months is, since 14 months is equivalent to 1 year and 2 months, write it as 1 year and 2 months. 1 हम यहाँ कैरी करेंगे और 2 months के नीचे लिखेंगे. Now add the years. 16 years plus 5 years plus 1 year which is carried over. Total is 22 years. Thus 16 years 2 months plus 5 years 12 months is equals to 22 years 2 months. Now example 2, subtract the following. A part, 12 days 36 hours from 35 days 24 hours. Now solution. 35 days 24 hours minus 12 days 36 hours. Convert both times into a common format. 35 days 24 hours is 36 days 0 hours, since 24 hours makes 1 day. So 12 days 36 hours is equals to 13 days 12 hours, since 36 hours makes 1 day and 12 hours. Now subtract the hours. 0 hours minus 12 hours, not possible. Since this cannot be subtracted, now borrow 1 day from 36 days. Now 36 days minus 1 day is equals to 35 days. Now 0 hours plus 24 hours is equals to 24 hours. Now subtract the hours. 24 hours minus 12 hours is equals to 12 hours. Now subtract the days. 35 days minus 13 days is equals to 22 days. Thus 35 days 24 hours minus 12 days 36 hours becomes 22 days and 12 hours. Now B part. 18 hours 15 minutes 40 seconds minus 10 hours 25 minutes 55 seconds. Now subtract the second. 40 seconds minus 55 seconds, not possible. Since this cannot be subtracted, borrow 1 minute, that is 60 seconds from the 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes minus 1 minute is equals to 14 minutes. Therefore 40 seconds plus 60 seconds becomes 100 seconds. Now 100 minus 55 is 45 seconds. Now subtract the minutes. Now 14 minutes minus 25 minutes, again not possible. So borrow 1 hour which is equals to 60 minutes from 18 hours. Now 18 hours minus 1 hour is 17 hours. Therefore 14 minutes plus 60 minutes is 74 minutes minus 25 minutes. That is equals to 49 minutes. Now finally subtract the hours. 17 hours minus 10 hours is equals to 7 hours. Thus 18 hours 15 minutes 40 seconds minus 10 hours 25 minutes 55 seconds is 7 hours 49 minutes and 45 seconds. Now next is time duration. Time duration is the amount of time taken to complete an activity. Let us understand how to find the time duration of an activity with a few examples. Now example 1. Robin starts baking a cake at 3:15 p.m. and finishes at 5 p.m. What is the time duration of his baking activity? Now solution. Time at which Robin start baking is 3:15 p.m. Now 3:15. 12 plus 3:15 is 15 hours or 15 hours 15 minutes. Time at which Robin finishes baking is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. means 12 plus 5 is equals to 1700 hours. So 17 hours 00 minutes. So time duration is finish time minus start time. Hours and minutes. Finish time is 17 hours and start time is 15 hours 15 minutes. So when we subtract, we get 1 hour 45 minutes. Thus, the time duration of Robin's baking activity is 1 hour 45 minutes. Now, example 2. Arjun starts his football practice at 7 a.m. and finishes at 9:15 a.m. How long does his practice session last? Now, solution. Time at which Arjun starts his football practice is 7 a.m. that is 700 hours. 7 hours 00 minutes. Time at which Arjun finishes his football practice is 9:15 a.m. or 9:15 hours or 9 hours 15 minutes. Now, duration of Arjun's football practice is 9 hours 15 minutes minus 7 hours. Now, 9 hours 15 minutes minus 7 hours 00 minutes, that is the finish time minus start time, is equals to 2 hours 15 minutes. Thus, Arjun's football practice session lasts for 2 hours 15 minutes. Now, time before and after. Let us understand how to find time before and after a given particular time with a few examples. Now, example 1. A flight lands at 3:15 p.m. after flying for 6 hours 25 minutes. What time did it take off? Now, solution. Time at which the flight lands is 3:15 p.m. That is 12 plus 3:15 is 15 hours 15 minutes. Duration of the flight is 6 hours 25 minutes. Time at which the flight take off, that is 15 hours 15 minutes minus 6 hours 25 minutes. So, we get 8 hours and 50 minutes or 8:50 a.m. Thus, the flight take off at 8:50 a.m. Now, example 2. A train departs at 9:10 a.m. and travels for 5 hours 30 minutes. What time does it arrive? Solution. Time at which the train departs 9:10 a.m. that is 9 hours 10 minutes. Duration of travel is 5 hours 30 minutes. So, time at which the train arrives, that is 9 hours 10 minutes plus duration, that is 5 hours 30 minutes. Total is 14 hours 40 minutes, or you can say 14:40 p.m. or 2:40 p.m. Thus, the train arrives at 2:40 p.m. Now, find and write. Imagine you are a time traveler visiting the Mughal era. You meet Emperor Shah Jahan, who proudly tells you about the construction of the magnificent Taj Mahal. He mentioned that it took 2 decades to complete the masterpiece. Find out how many years are in 2 decades using the given hint. 1 decade is equals to 10 years. So, 2 decades is 20 years. So, the Taj Mahal took 20 years to complete. Now, think and do. Tina's family is going to watch a movie which starts at 6:45 p.m. The duration of the movie is 2 hours 20 minutes. After the movie, they plan to have a quick snack. Can you help Tina figure out what time the movie will end so she knows when the snack time will begin? So, 6:45 plus 2 hours is 8:45 plus 20 minutes is 9:05 p.m. Now, next, in text exercise 2, question number 1, add the following. First, 3 hours 45 minutes and 2 hours 30 minutes. 3 hours and 45 minutes and 2 hours and 30 minutes. Now, 4 plus 3 is 7. 75. 75 is 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. So, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Now, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 is 6. That is 6 hours and 15 minutes. तो बच्चों, सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, next is subtract the following. A part, 8 hours 45 minutes from 10 hours 30 minutes. 10 hours 30 minutes minus 8 hours 45 minutes. So 30 minutes is less than 45 minutes. We have to borrow now. 10 hours becomes 9 hours and 30 minutes makes 60 minutes plus 30 minutes is equals to 90 minutes. 90 minus 45 is 45. 9 minus 8 is 1. That is 1 hour 45 minutes. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट टाइम विल इट बी इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन? नाउ ए, स्कूल असेंबली बिगिंस एट 8:15 AM. व्हाट will be the time after 45 minutes? 8:15 plus 45 minutes, it's 9 AM. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Solve the following word problem. A, if a train journey takes 2 hours 45 minutes and another train rides takes 1 hour 30 minutes, how long is the total journey? So we have to add 2 hours 45 minutes and 1 hour 30 minutes. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. 75 minutes makes 6 minutes plus 15 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. That is 4 hours and 15 minutes. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फाइंडिंग द नंबर ऑफ डेज बिटवीन 2 dates. Example 1. Rohan started a 3D model making project on January 25, 2024. His teacher asked him to complete it by February 15, 2024. How many days did Rohan have to work on his project? Now solution. Date on which started working on the project is January 25, 2024. Date by which he has to complete the project is February 15, 2024. Number of days from January 2024 to January 31, 2024 is 6 days, and number of days from February 1st 2024 to February 15 2024 is 15 days. Therefore number of days for which Rohan had to work is 6 plus 15 is equals to 21 days. Thus Rohan had 21 days to complete his project. Now example 2. Anaya borrowed a library book on March 12 and the return date was March 30. How many days did she have to finish reading the book? Now solution. Date on which Anaya borrowed the books from the library is March 12. Date on which she had to return the book is March 30. Number of days from March 12 to March 30 is 18 days. Thus Anaya had 18 days to finish reading the book. Now in text exercise 3. Question number 1. Solve the following word problems. A. Today is April 25. Swam's birthday is on May 12. How many days are left until his birthday? Today is 25. So how many days left in April? April has 30 days. Today is 25. So 5 days left. May 12 has 12 days. So total is 17 days. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टेम्परेचर. Temperature refers to the level of hotness or coldness of an object. It is measured in either degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The device used to measure temperature is called the thermometer. There are two different scales for measuring temperature, that is Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Let us understand the relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. In the Celsius scale, each unit represents 1 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius marks the freezing point of water. 100 degree Celsius marks the boiling point of water. Now in the Fahrenheit scale, each unit represents 1 degree Fahrenheit. Next, 32 degree Fahrenheit marks the freezing point of water and 212 degree Fahrenheit marks the boiling point of water. This shows 0 degree Celsius equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit and 100 degree Celsius is equals to 212 Fahrenheit. Now, no more. Temperature is measured using a scale defined by two reference points. The freezing point of water or the melting point of ice, the boiling point of water. Now, no more. The Celsius scale is divided into 100 parts. while the Fahrenheit scale is divided into 180 parts for the same range of temperature. Now find and write. Doctors use a clinical thermometer to measure human body temperature. Find and write the normal human body temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Normal human body temperature in Celsius is 37 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now let us explore how to convert temperatures between Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now conversion of temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. To convert temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, we use the following formula. That is, degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9/5 multiplied by degree Celsius plus 32. Now example 1, convert 30 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Solution, 30 degree Celsius is 9/5 multiplied by 30 plus 32, that is 54 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit is 84 degree Fahrenheit. Thus 30 degree Celsius is 84 degree Fahrenheit. Now example 2, convert 50 degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Solution, 50 degree Celsius is 9/5 multiplied by 50 plus 32 is 90 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit is 122 degree Fahrenheit. Thus 50 degree Celsius is 122 degree Fahrenheit. Now conversion of temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. To convert temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we use the following formula. Degree Celsius is 5/9 multiplied by Fahrenheit minus 32. Now example 1, convert 95 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Solution, 95 degree Fahrenheit is 5/9 multiplied by 95 minus 32 is 5/9 multiplied by 63 is 35 degree Celsius. Thus 95 degree Fahrenheit is 35 degree Celsius. Now example 2, convert 131 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Solution, 131 degree Fahrenheit is 5/9 into 131 minus 32 is 99 degree. 5/9 into 99 is 55 degree Celsius. Thus 131 degree Celsius is 55 degree Celsius. Now in text exercise 4. Question number 1, convert the following temperature to degree Fahrenheit. Now A part is 40 degree Celsius. So degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9/5 multiplied by degree Celsius plus 32. So 9/5 multiplied by 40 plus 32. 5 8s are 40, 8 9s are 72 plus 32 is equals to 104 degree Fahrenheit. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग टेम्परेचर टू डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ 104 डिग्री Fahrenheit इज ऑलरेडी डन, दैट इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. ए पार्ट, रिया इज बेकिंग कुकीज एंड हर रेसिपी सेज टू प्रीहीट द ओवन to 200 degree Celsius. What is this temperature in Fahrenheit? Now 200 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9/5 multiplied by 200 plus 32. 5 4s are 20, 4 9s are 36, 360 plus 32 is 392 degree Fahrenheit. 392 डिग्री Fahrenheit. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स पुट इट टुगेदर. टाइम in 24-hour clock format is written as hours, minutes or hours, minutes, seconds. Time duration is the amount of time taken to complete an activity. Temperature indicates how hot or cold a body is. Next, the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is 9/5 multiplied by degree Celsius plus 32, that is equals to degree Fahrenheit. The formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius is 5/9 multiplied by degree Fahrenheit minus 32 is degree Celsius. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.